Launchpad to your next, and today we're going to do some tapping on being grateful for being employed. A lot of our coworkers are no longer our coworkers, and there's a bit of trauma behind that. So first, rate your level of feeling of gratitude or difficulty with feeling gratitude is probably the better way to frame this. How difficult is it for you to stay grateful in this time? So let's start on the side of the hand. Even though I am working right now, I know that some people are not. Even though my job may have been furloughed, or I might be able to come back later on at another time, and nobody knows when that time is, I'm going to choose to love and accept myself anyway. Even though it's difficult to be grateful, even though sometimes it feels almost like we can't speak about work stress or coworker issues with people that we used to work with, or friends that have gotten laid off, family members who can't get through unemployment systems, and getting any kind of assistance is difficult. Even though we're faced with these kind of bittersweet situations, I'm going to choose to love and accept myself, and maybe anybody else who may have contributed to these feelings of unease. Now let's start with the forehead point. All this apprehension, all this uneasy mixed feelings, all of this survivor's guilt, these are normal feelings. It's okay to feel happy that you're having a job on one hand and missing our coworkers on the other. Even though we might feel like things might change on the drop of a dime. Wasn't that kind of the situation anyways? Maybe this time at home is giving you some time and space to think. Think about all the other projects that you've had on hold because you were swamped with work, because your commute was so long, because you weren't being able to spend time with your family. We're getting to address these things now, and we're able to pass along financial assistance to others who have less. And sometimes it feels like we're being relied upon more than others in charge. And that's okay too. These feelings are not just felt by you. We all understand the guilt. But we also understand that there's the other flip side of this, and that's gratitude. Being grateful to have met the coworkers that you once worked with. Being grateful to be furloughed and being able to be looking forward to coming back to the job that you love. Being able to see a light at the end of the tunnel. Being grateful for that light. So even though I'm still working and my friends are not, I'm grateful for this opportunity, and I'm going to release the feelings of guilt. I'm going to release the feelings of waiting for the other shoe to drop, or feel that you're not deserving of where you are, of having the skills that you have. Those are yours to keep. Those are yours no matter where you are. Even though it might seem like the situation's never going to change, we're going to be adapting to a new normal. And it's okay to feel uneasy with this change. It's okay to have lots of questions. It's okay to feel like maybe you want to change jobs. It's okay to be questioning these things now. So we're going to be releasing our guilt, releasing that feeling of bittersweetness in mind, body, and spirit. Now, take a deep breath in, hold it at the top, and release it. After that tapping session, how do you feel? Rate these feelings on a scale of 1 to 10 and compare it to how you felt before. Maybe drink some water and journal about how you feel. And let me know how you did with this tapping session. Launchpad to your next on Instagram and YouTube and Instagram, launchpadtoyournext.com. Thank you. See you next time.